Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. Bengaluru's housing market is grappling with escalating construction costs and increased home loan interest rates, leaving buyers to rethink their budgets and choices. Rising expenses in materials, labor, and regulatory requirements are pushing developers and home buyers to make tough decisions. Spike in construction costs. According to the Confederation of Real Estate Developers Associations of India, construction costs have surged by 11% in 2024. This increase is driven by higher wages for construction workers, transportation fees, and compliance with environmental regulations such as rainwater harvesting. Daily wages for masons, for instance, have nearly doubled in a year, with head masons earning 1,200 rupees compared to 650 rupees to 700 rupees previously. Other laborers now demand 750 rupees to 800 rupees per day, up from 400 rupees minus 450 rupees. Impact on buyers. The steep home loan interest rates, currently around 9%, are also affecting buyers, many of whom are scaling down their expectations or seeking affordable options in Bengaluru's suburban areas. Regions like Sarjapur and areas off Mysuru Road are witnessing increased interest, as buyers choose to purchase land and build homes incrementally to manage costs. Leelavati Yadav, co-founder of SVK Constructions, noted that buyers are increasingly opting for semi-furnished homes or tiered construction options to stay within budget. However, a slight financial burden is often passed on to them. Developer challenges and innovations. Developers face rising costs of materials like cement and steel, which have increased by 10 to 15% due to limited natural resources and higher government levies. Despite some stabilization in material prices, transportation and regulatory costs continue to surge. To counter these challenges, developers are adopting cost-efficient construction methods like the dry fix system, which reduces labor dependency and shortens timelines. However, higher costs also affect project schedules as developers renegotiate contracts and reassess supplier choices. Affordable housing at risk. The affordable housing sector faces the brunt of these rising costs. According to CRED Vice President Suresh VP, high land prices, lack of government concessions, and elevated charges for plan sanctions make maintaining affordability nearly impossible. He stressed the need for tax breaks, uniform stamp duties, reduced land costs, and infrastructure support to address the affordability crisis. Looking ahead, without intervention, middle class and mid-segment buyers are likely to continue struggling with affordability, and the broader dream of accessible housing will remain out of reach. Immediate action is necessary to ensure that the housing market accommodates the needs of a growing urban population while mitigating the impact of rising costs. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.